Hi guys, I hope that this video will find you well. Today I'm going to teach you how to dance debut by KATSEYE, and especially this part, the hip part, that you get so frustrated all the time. And a lot of people ask me for this tutorial, and here I am. I hope that this video will be very useful for you. If you're ready, go stretch yourself a little bit, come back to my video, and let's get started. This part you have to be able to understand and recognize the dance movement first. You need to differentiate between the knee and the hips, and also the side of left and right. Stand like this, try to bend down a little bit. When you keep your posture very straight like this, so don't do this one or don't bend to the back. Supposed to be straighten up, you bend your knee a little bit. You have to check your knee when you bend it down. This one's supposed to be able to move front, 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 front. You bend down a little bit, just practice 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This move is not going to be like go forward like this, but it's supposed to be like lean your hips and your body to the right like this, and then you practice come back to the center. Okay, like this, come back to the center. And this part of your area, you have to imagine that it's quite heavy, so you won't move much. You won't move like this or backward. So when you bend your knee down, you practice like front. So once when you kind of push your right knee, you have to kind of control your upper body like this. You are not going to do like this, no. The upper body is supposed to be stay still, face to the camera, and then your knee is supposed to be like 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, like this. You kind of practice this one until you get used to with the groove like this. So once when you understand this shape and this part, now you are going to understand that you are going to flip this hip part, okay, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Now you are going to work together with part 1 and with part 2. 5, 6, 7, start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go and exercise with your move. 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then after that, you are going to practice 1. So now you are going to see my hip part or my bikini line here. So now you are going to recognize that my bikini line part of my hip part is supposed to face slightly to the left a little bit. It's going to be like this, okay? So at the start, we practice just this one, right? So now we try to control our upper body. Then right after that, just slightly flip your hip part like this. Try to do together coordinately to your knee with your hips. Flip, okay? But your knee is supposed to be straight forward like that, but your hips is supposed to slightly go to the left, okay, accordingly to your right knee. All right, so once when you get used to with this movement, so now try to come back to the center. And now we are going to practice the left one. Your left knee is going to push forward to the camera, okay, but your right knee is supposed to stay lower. Bend down your knee a little bit. You're going to start to practice to flip your bikini line or your hip line to face to the right like this. When you combine together left and right, it's supposed to look like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hold your upper body straight forward. Try to flip your hips only, okay? When you do this one, don't forget that you have to bend down your knee also. We will do it one more time. Stay still, straight forward. Check your posture. Bend down your knee a little bit. It looks like when you groove with a hip hop lyric, we do right side first. Go straight to the camera. You don't need to flip the hip first from the knee. And after that, we'll continue together with the hips, okay? So face to the camera, face to the camera. Like when you exercise, you do like this. Please remember that try to flex your hips like this. When you push forward like that, it's going to raise up. Just the function of the body when you try to move. So each of the function within your body is going to work together like this, okay? So we do one more time. Right, left, right, left. Try to use your body weight to the left, right, left, right. Don't stay like this. If you stay like this, the movement from the camera angle is not going to be sharp and clean. This choreography, they will do like body weight to the right, body weight to the left, right, left, right, left. After when you already recognize and get used to with this movement, we try to flip, okay? We flip to the left first. Flip, 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 flip. Your upper body is supposed to be straight, okay? Keep this one just like a queen. All right, so you do like this. So you flip, 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 and flip like this. All right, now we are here in the most important part of this choreography. For you to do this part very sharp and clean, if you can see, I will bend down my knee like this. This is my standing position. When I do squat, my feet will be slightly a little bit to side. This posture will support your whole body. When you do like this, it's kind of like very strong and sharp, and you have to kind of pop and like you put a lot of power to your hip. Make sure that your feet is going to stay like to the side, outer side, not inner side. So it's supposed to be outer, all right? And once when you squat down, try to squat until you feel like, oh, I'm sitting on the chair. This part, when you do like sharp one like this, try to control your knees, stay still, okay? For example, if I do like and try not to move forward or try not to move backward or aside, okay? So make sure that your thigh and your hip is supposed to be strong. You can feel that your feet is kind of like stick on the ground, very strong, okay? So if someone punch you, you won't move to anything, like you won't fall to the floor. If I stay just the normal, I will stay like this. My feet will be kind of like in the middle. Once when I squat it down, you have to remember that your body is supposed to be like this. Again and again, okay? Again and again. Whatever movement that you dance, once when you do this dance, you're supposed to be like this. My feet is supposed to be like go outer side like that. So once when you squat it down, you try to control your thigh. Have to stay still. In this part, when you practice, you just use your palm, touch your hips like this. When you do like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, you kind of like estimate your weight, like whether it's kind of like strong enough or it just kind of like weak. Your palm is going to estimate and also control your body weight. You practice this one first. So again, you squat it down, then try to go left and left and left and left. Use your palm and left, all right? Then come back. It's very important. Tighten your thigh like this, and then after that, you practice this one first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The strong part one supposed to go to the left and a left and a left and a left. The actual choreography is supposed to do like left and a left, right? So once when you hit to the left, you are supposed to use the right knee to kind of push the power to the left hip. Then right after that, don't forget to flip also. Every single beat of this choreography is supposed to hit to the left. So now you know that left, when I say and, okay, it's supposed to be and you will come back again, okay? So we do it one more time. We do left using the right knee, okay? Then when I say and, you are going to come back. Again, one more time, left and left and left. So once when I say and, you are going to kind of push your right hip back, and this one's supposed to be sharp also, like completely sharp back to that position. Again, I squat down, then I do left and left and left. When you understand this movement, try to control your thigh here. Don't do like this, okay? Keep controlling like this. Even though you hit to the left, your thigh is supposed to stay still. Keep in the same position. We do it one more time. I squat down, then right after that I will flip to the left, you see? So my bikini line is flipped to the left like this. I do it one more time. Left, okay? Then right after that, I go back and then after that, the left knee is supposed to work. And once when you push the hips from the right to the left, you are supposed to put your body weight to the left knee like this, okay? And then I flip, like I kind of switch from flip my hips, the bikini line from the left to the right. So, and my right hip up, then hip to the left, which is I flip my bikini line slightly to the left. But then I will not do like this or I will not do like this. My left knee is supposed to stay still. The only part that you are going to move is the bikini line. It's this part. Flip this part, go this part. Flip this part, go this part. We will do it one more time. I squat down, so I flip left, okay? And can you see my thigh? Left and, okay? And then left, okay? And left and left and left and left and left and left. If you can notice, my right knee is supposed to work a lot because this part and this movement is supposed to support your body weight like this. When you pull back like this and you go to the left hip, it's supposed to be like this. The left knee doesn't move much, but the right knee is kind of work a lot to support your body weight, okay? We will do it one more time. Start slow, try to understand the movement and practice more. You will do this very clear and sharp. And if you like this kind of tutorial, please like and subscribe my channel. I will be appreciated so much. Squat it down, keep your upper body like this. You do, and hip like that. So we do one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Do it the back for you. Try to control your hips with your palm first. You practice left and left and left and left. Then after that, and flip my right knee. It's working so hard right now. And come back. Then flip like this. And flip and flip and flip and flip So we do one more time. We will do like flip like this, all right? Then you come back, then flip like this, okay? Again, up, flip, okay? Don't forget to use your right knee to point at the center toward to the camera like that, and then flip your bikini line. Then after that, pull back to the center, okay? My bikini line is supposed to face to the center. Then after that, when I hit to the left again, it's supposed to be like this. My bikini line is facing slightly to the right. So we do it again. I like it. It keep coming back. That's right. I like it. And like this. So most of the time you are going to keep your knee bent the same level. You won't do like this. You won't do like this. I'm going to bend down this level. So once when I do I like it. I like it. So my level is supposed to be the same level. So now we are going to do the same choreography from the original. So this choreography, you are going to kind of like chop your palm like this. Once when you chop your palm, you have to make sure that your ankle is supposed to look like this, just like the robot, all right? So every single part of the ankle is supposed to be sharp and very clear. Don't loosen up like this. It doesn't look very clean. So just to make sure that when you chop and chop, front and back. Front and back. The left palm is supposed to be like this. It's just like when you're looking for something. So we do like that. One, okay? You go straight again to the position, this one. Then right after that, okay? Do like this, check your posture. Check that actually your upper body is supposed to face to the camera. And this one's supposed to be like this. Okay, one more time. I'm going to bend my knee together with flip and kind of push my right knee toward to the camera. So do one more time. And up. And up. So now we do to the back also, like to the second step, which is 1 and 2. Okay? You can see that I flip my bikini line slightly toward to the right, like this. And, okay, go to the center, kind of raise your right hip like this. Then after that, push your right hip to the front. Flip your bikini line to the left. Okay, again, go to the right. Okay, then flip. Okay, after that, go back to the right. Okay, then flip. It's supposed to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so the real choreography is supposed to be I like it. Then after that will be keep coming back. Maybe this one. Okay, but basically, if you want to practice this part, so you have to understand flip and a flip and a flip and a flip. For the KATSEYE attitude, they are going to lean back their upper bodies toward to the back a little bit to look like very sharp and clean, like you are very confident. So instead of you doing this only, you are going to lean back a little bit, then kind of chin up like that. So once when you combine this choreography, it's supposed to be I like it. I like it. You see? So the difference between like this and like this is very different. Try to kind of lean back a little bit, tighten up your thigh. When you flip your hip, your knee is supposed to be outer, okay? Don't try to do like this. It doesn't look sharp, okay? So you practice flip and flip, slightly flip, flip and flip, slightly flip. Now let's practice step by step, and then after that you can go and practice with the actual music. And I hope this video will find you very useful. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel also. Don't forget, okay? So now let's practice step by step, one by one. We start from squat down, then right after that just do switching the knee, so which is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then after that, try to flip your bikini part. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Use your palm. And 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Stay still. You stay still. Now don't move too much. 6 and 7 and 8. Lean back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And pump, 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 and pump, and pump, and pump. More power. Pump, 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 and a pump, and a pump, and pump. Then right after that, we will do together with the actual choreography with the palms. 5, 6, 7, 8. I like it. It's keep coming back. I like it. And. Okay, I hope that you understand this movement and this choreography. If you can dance, please just upload your video and tag my channel also, and I will check your video, of course. And now I gotta go, and I hope that you guys enjoy my channel and my tutorials, and see you next video. Bye bye.